Welcome back to Mamma Lucia's kitchen, where we blend the love of traditional dishes with a sprinkle of nutritional insight. Today's hot topic is a grainy debate, brown rice versus white rice, which is the healthier choice. With a twist on common perceptions, we're diving deep into an unexpected factor that might just tip the scales. Let's get into it. Rice feeds billions and is a staple in kitchens worldwide. But when choosing between brown and white rice, a not-so-well-known health factor comes into play. Could one type of rice carry risks that outweigh its nutritional benefits? Stick around as we uncover the surprising details. Brown rice, celebrated for its whole-grain goodness, packs a fiber-rich punch, with plenty of vitamins and minerals to boast about. This has long painted brown rice as the healthier choice, but there's more to the story. White rice, often criticized for its refined status and lower nutrient content, might have a health advantage we've overlooked. Let's peel back the layers on why white rice might not be the underdog after all. When it comes to health, brown rice has been lauded for its ability to reduce heart disease risk and support weight management. However, brown rice has a hidden caveat: arsenic levels. A naturally occurring element, can be found in higher concentrations in brown rice due to its retention of the outer bran layer. Long-term exposure to high levels of arsenic is linked to various health risks, including heart disease and diabetes. Ironically, the very conditions brown rice is supposed to help combat. This brings white rice into a new light. With its bran and germ removed, white rice has lower levels of arsenic, making it a potentially safer option for regular consumption. This refinement process, once seen as a drawback, might actually safeguard against the risks associated with arsenic exposure. Culinary-wise, both types of rice serve their purpose in the kitchen. Brown rice offers a nutty flavor and hearty texture, while white rice is beloved for its versatility and delicate consistency. But knowing the arsenic factor, how we choose our rice might lean more on health considerations than just taste or texture. Here are my closing thoughts. In the balance of nutrition and health safety, white rice emerges with a new advantage. While we've celebrated brown rice for its nutritional profile, the concern over arsenic levels cannot be ignored. It suggests a shift in our healthy eating choices, especially for those who consume rice frequently. Thank you for joining us at Mamma Lucia's kitchen as we explore the depths of what makes our food both nourishing and safe. It's not just about the vitamins and minerals, but also understanding the bigger picture of our health. Keep tuning in for more insights that keep your kitchen savvy and your meals safe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious wisdom. Until next time, cook with love and eat with awareness. Ciao!